Imagine a world where a single sneeze could spark a war. In 1859, during a diplomatic meeting in the small town of Orsova, a sneeze from a Serbian minister led to a bizarre incident with the Austro-Hungarian ambassador. The ambassador, believing the sneeze was a deliberate insult, demanded an apology. Tensions escalated, and both nations nearly went to war over a simple bodily function. This incident highlights how fragile diplomatic relationships can be, sometimes teetering on the edge over the most trivial of actions. It begs the question, how many major conflicts in history started over misunderstandings? Next time you sneeze, think about the potential consequences.